Hello everyone there. This is 2010 Kia Soul, and I was having problem with this starting up whenever I go to the gas station, fill up the gas, and it start giving me hard time, won't start. So finally, I changed this switch. You call it valve purge control switch, and I got it from the Kia dealer, and I'll just show you how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. It has a harness, um, one harness attached to it, very easy to change. So what you have to do is just open this hose. There's one bolt here, clips, just open this one and this one, and it's just beside underneath this hose pipe. So just take it off, and it's just underneath, attached with one electric harness. Just unplug this with one board and replace it. So that was a problem that I was having. It was giving me just after at the gas station when I try to fill the gas, and it won't start. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.